In this video, I'll be showing you how you can deactivate or close your Roblox account temporarily. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. To do that, let's just tap on the more here. Good. And on this section, let's scroll to the top and then let's move to our settings, and you can see that settings here. Just tap on that. Good. On this section, we move to accounts and info. So I already have a video on how you can delete your Roblox account permanently. You can check that out. Good. On this section, what we do is we tap on the drop down button here, and then we select privacy and content restrictions. On this section, what we do next is we select account, deactivation and deletion. Good. On here, we select the deactivate account, so we tap on the deactivate. Good. And now we need to follow a procedure. You can see here, you hide your profile, blah 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 blah. You can read it. You can pause the video and read it. So now let's tap on deactivate, and you can see that's it on how you deactivate your Roblox account. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.